Hello? Guess what? Yep. Just got a box of knives in. Kind of wanted to go through it with you guys. So let's just dig right in. Oh, man. Golly. This package came from a buddy of mine in Michigan? Yeah, I think so. Or Maine. Dang, I can't remember where John's from. John, if you see this video, say where you're from. Let's see. Just gonna lay it all out here and then we'll go through it. It's kind of a mix. I know there's some case knives in here. There's some all kinds of other stuff. Should be pretty interesting little group. There's a Baron Son, Case Classic, Mystery. Oh yeah. A pile of knives there. So Rough Rider Reserve 94. That's pretty cool. Alright. Start with I think we're definitely gonna have to do some tape cutting. Oh, that's the little Kilby. They never say where these are made, but I'm pretty sure they're. Yeah, Kilby Easy Open. Pine Knot, Kentucky. So that's pretty cool. I've had these before. Actually, really well made knives. So, get in there. So there's one. And we've already got the Rough Rider Reserve out, so let's Black Reserve. A little doctor's knife. That's pretty cool. Tell y'all, man, Rough Rider has come a long way in 30 years of making knives. You hear that? Got spatulate blue liners on it. That's awesome. Snap like an angry baby alligator, huh? How did that go in there? Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. So there's cool. Or that's cool. So, oh, let's see. May not need that for a little bit. Or maybe. Who knows? Alright. I need to sharpen my knife, man. I've been cutting cardboard and plastic with it. Shame to be using such a fine knife and it not be sharp. My gosh, that's a pretty knife, y'all. That's a pretty knife. Look at the bone on that thing. Pretty little muskrat. Winchester. Let's put this in the box. See what we got here. Oh, I think I know what this is. Corncob jig. Burnt yellow bone. Is that a 98 maybe? It's hard to see him. 98 or 99. Oh no. Yeah. Trapper. Pretty cool knife. I like it. See what else we got. Man, I really need to sharpen that thing. I'll say that and then I'll forget to do it. And my life. There we go. Silver script. Is that autumn bone, maybe? Seahorse Whittler. It's a pretty knife. Or is it Harvest Orange? It's either Autumn Bone or Harvest Orange. I'll have to look at it a little closer and figure it out. But it's one of those. There we go. That's the big 91 pattern. They call it the Anglo-Saxon Whittler. 1990. Yep. 6391. Case Classic. Pretty Rogers. Beautiful. I may have a box for that. I know I've got several boxes lying around. I think this is a green bone 18 pattern here. Oh, 18 pattern Stockman. I'm going to hire John. I'm going to talk to him about hiring him to package my outgoing orders, man. He is a beast with this stuff. Oh my gosh. There. Man. Hunter green. Pretty color. Very pretty. Nice knife. Let's move this out of the way. Let's see. Next. Let's see. Let me get it to just come out of there. Look at that. Smooth, natural bone. Copperhead. 1993 or 4. 96. It's a cool knife, man. I like copperheads, so that may be a little biased. That's a cool knife. Now this one is a classic that may have some condition issues. I know when I looked at the pictures it was condition issues, but it was priced right, so I went ahead and bought it. I mean, honestly, I've sold these boxes, these classic boxes, for upwards of 40, 50 bucks at times. But condition issue wasn't, horrible for me. See what I'm saying? Right there. A little bit of funk. But with these classics with the celluloid handles, man, some of them are hard to keep from getting that stuff, but most of it will come off, and it, cool waterfall scales. I don't know if you can see them, but pretty cool. Seahorse Whittler. So it's got the COA with it. Yep. Nice. Put that back there. What do we got next? Bear and Son. Yeah, that'll make 11. That's ooh, fancy. Trapper. Nice. Look at the grind on that. That's pretty cool. Nice, nice. Bam. Snapping. I kind of like how they left. That's not. Yeah, that's a nice knife, man. Nice knife. I like it. So it's got some paperwork and maybe a COA or something in there. Last but certainly not least, who likes Coca-Cola? Who likes case knives? Who likes Coca-Cola case knives? I believe that's what we have here. There we go. Like Christmas. So there's the tin. Oh my gosh. There we go. And there's the knife. Little Coke bottle. Red bone. That's pretty. Is that case emblem? Yeah. Pretty cool. Comes with a gift tin and everything, collector tin, whichever one. Yeah, pretty cool, man. I'm happy. Yeah. But anyway, that's everything we got today. 11 knives. Should be fun messing with these, man. I really like those Saxon Whittlers. I mean, yeah, Saxon Whittlers. That seahorse is pretty as well. But yeah, cool, man. Hey, appreciate everybody hanging out. If you did, let's go through some stuff real quick. But yeah, drop a like if you're interested in this kind of stuff. Leave a comment. If there's anything you're interested in, let me know. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.